So the grayish, actually it's a light brownish, but there it shows up more of a gray right now. And the good thing about where the sun is now, even though I'm looking towards the bright area, and I think we're about maybe 80 feet there now, in that vicinity. Kind of looking over the whole area. Should be coming up to. Just taking the gimbal down a bit. Just getting familiar with the aircraft, what it can do, and you know, some of the things that I'm just sort of practicing with, get an idea of how it behaves and all that sort of stuff. It is amazing though that when you stop the actual you know, movement that I'm doing on purpose, like now I'm moving of course to the right, you would never think that it's actually an aircraft that's flying. Between the stability and the multi-gimbal, you know, performance, it's just amazing. I mean, like you put it there up, and once I stop, if there's nothing moving, you know, like you don't see anything. I think I'm going to have to have my driveway resurfaced this year. It's I fill the cracks and that sort of stuff. Yep, so I'm about 70 feet there now. Like the house next door, not that strong, but anyway, of course, everywhere is where the lawns are. they're rather green, but that's all relative to the amount of rain we've been having so far. Typically every 5 days there's rain, and we have usually a couple of days, so that kind of helps everything stay really healthy. Another quick pan. I'll bring that thing down. Come on down, as they say, and the price is right. Here we go. And I originally put the long extended battery in this just for a test, and interestingly not, that the battery I got, which has the 3850 size, which runs for about 40 minutes, as soon as I plugged it in and they connected, DJI says it's not a compatible DJI product, basically. So I guess I'll just have to send that back, which is really interesting because I tried a friend of ours, or mine, whatever, and his one was an extended one, and it worked fine. So. The end of the flight here. That's about 11 minutes. By then I've seen everything, and just going to download these things and play around with it. So with that, you guys have a great day. Let me just see what's going on here. Yeah, bring her in for the home stretch. Yeah, just getting ready. And I still got about maybe 26 minutes left and that stuff roughly. I'll bring her in for a landing. Looking at the same time up in the sky just to see where those swallows are coming from, but they come from everywhere, I guess. When I get up at certain heights, they seem to attract them. Anyway, it's this front yard here, just coming down. All the roses are out in blossom now. The campfire roses to the left, basically, and the hostas, and then more campfire, and then some other assortment of roses, country roses in the background. Everything's pretty green, of course, because with all the rain we've had, basically everything is just a super spring green look right now until the summer heat gets in. Great thing about those campfire roses, they come out really yellow, and then they'll change to a subtle color, basically like a satin color almost, of pink, and they'll go stronger pink, and then again when the new ones come out, as you can see, they'll have yellow again.